You're walking along just one segment of a 30-mile network of railroads built in 1931 specifically to haul materials to construct Hoover Dam. This line, the US Government Railroad, ran from Boulder City down Hemingway Wash to a concrete mixing plant on the rim of Black Canyon. Trains ran 24 hours a day, carrying gravel, supplies, and machinery to the dam construction site.
To our left is Lake Mead, and it's in the news for two things. Thing one, of course, is the lowering water levels, and just here is the Lake Mead Marina, which is normally up here. The water level continues to drop. You can see the high water line. The white versus the black is where the water level usually is. Lake Mead. It's also in the news because 20-30 years ago, when the mob wanted to whack someone, they'd put them in a barrel and throw them in the lake. But of course, as the lake is lowering, the bodies are emerging. Along the railway are 5 tunnels that are carved through the volcanic rock to get to the equipment from Boulder City up to the dam. The tunnels are actually larger than a normal railway tunnel because of the size of the equipment they had to bring through. As I said a minute ago, the tunnels are larger to accommodate the equipment coming through to the dam, but these are more like caverns than tunnels.
Debilitating heat, hard volcanic rock, pounding jackhammers, falling rocks, swirling clouds of dust and sand. The men boring and digging the 5 tunnels in this ridge must have wondered why they ever left their hometowns. Yet despite these conditions, crews from the Lewis Construction Company worked round the clock in 3 shifts and completed the project for the federal government in 5 months in 1931.
The trail takes us right through the middle of the hydroelectric station at the Hoover Dam. Well, we've just crossed the border into Arizona, so we're looking back in time because this is a date line and it's an hour later on that side. There's the water level, there's the water. That's the spillway, no danger, as Nancy just pointed out. Yo, yo, Mr. White. home now, 3:15. Poor Jetty's seen better days. Five minutes later, cross the bridge. It's now an hour later.